Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 28 of the Leetcode Day Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me in Discord. Let me know what you think about this problem. To be honest, I'm really far behind. I think like there's only 3 hours left. There was a contest yesterday when I got back and then I just forgot about it. So, but luckily we still have the streak going. So let's keep going. Ooh, excuse me. Let's keep doing it. Today's problem is 1074, number of submatrices that sum to target. Oh, this is an annoying one. Oh, jeez, excuse me. Sorry, friends. This is definitely a tricky one. But yeah, okay. Are there negative numbers? They are negative numbers. So this one, I mean, this one I've solved enough times to kind of like not really, yeah. How did I go about it? I think the video I did it previously is probably pretty good on this one. I don't even remember when it was, but I remember I put a lot of effort into it. That's why. I guess it's been like almost 2 years now. But no, definitely, if this video is not good for you, check out my older video. But the idea here is just taking advantage of the bounds. There's 100, so we can probably do like 100 cube and it'll be okay. And in fact, that's what we're gonna do. The idea here is basically brute force in a smarter way. The first thing that we want to do is kind of do prefix sum. Prefix sum is kind of, and I kind of, I'm not gonna lie, I'm feeling a little bit lazy, so I'm trying to figure out like what's the, like what to go over and what not, because I don't want to just like say exactly the same thing I did last time I did this problem, and I remember that putting so much effort into it that like it's like like am I just like repeating the same thing? I don't know. There's no Sunday update for me. But yeah, but basically the idea behind prefix sum is that let me bring up a drawing real quick. I'll do something very quick. So it's not, I don't know if it's gonna be that detailed as I usually have it. Well, as you would like me to have it. But yeah, so prefix sum is just basically the idea of one dimension. It's gonna be, you have a number line or a line of things, or like basically a segment of things, and then the prefix sum is just the sum of from the beginning to some number. And then the idea here is that given this the sum of the first I numbers, or first I indexes or whatever, then you can figure out any subsegment, because for example this segment is just equal to this segment, well, pretend they line up, sorry, with the drawing, minus this segment, right? So that's the 1D prefix sum. It's just that you can kind of use addition and subtraction to get any length segment, right? So the two-dimensional version, which we need for this one, is also the same idea, right? Is that okay? So then now we have a 2D prefix sum where we have ij. Oh, what the heck? You have ij, right? So the sum of all the things inside, or maybe you have you try to query, say, some rectangle here. Oh man, that is terrible drawing. But yeah, then that's just going to be the sum, or a formula of this rectangle minus this rectangle minus this rectangle. But because we minus this part twice, we add this back in, right? I mean, I'm going really fast here, but that's basically the idea behind prefix sum. Again, I think the previous video that I did is a little bit better about this. So if you definitely struggle still, then do that out. So we'll just do that prefix sum right now. But then now, and then once you realize that, then you can kind of brute force every you can kind of brute force every DP, kind of. I guess the other part, let me actually do the other thing. this is actually kind of annoying. I mean, this is hard if you haven't done it before, but then the other thing is, so let me write out some notes. So prefix sum, definitely look up for that, 1D and 2D. And then there's the other thing that's like, let me find that Leetcode problem. What's it called? Number of subarrays to segment or something. Subarray target, something like that maybe. Subarray target sum maybe. Let me use Google. Leetcode subarray target sum. Right? Okay, Leetcode 560 or something. Right, hang on, sorry friends, hang on. Why can't you just search for Leetcode 560 and then it goes to it? Why does it like? Alright, so basically, for example, so Leetcode 560 subarray sum equals to k. So we're gonna use this as well. It seems like I have a solution here, and I kind of, you know, I probably have a video on this one, so definitely look that up as well. Way what sum equals to k or something. But yeah, also I have a prefix sum video, I think. I don't know how good it is though. I haven't seen it in a while. But yeah, so definitely with those, you get to combine it, and then this is now a 2D version of it, where basically you brute force the you can brute force either the row or the column, it doesn't matter. But now you're brute forcing every possible rectangle in that way, and then you kind of compressed that into one, in a way, 1D, and use the same logic. So that's basically kind of the idea here for this one. Yeah, so let's kind of get started. So we have prefix sum is equal to right? So let me see if I could practice the implementation. I have to like cough a lot. Excuse me. Right. And then right, something like that. I mean, I sometimes I write it differently, and then you add it to the column as well. Don't know that, is that right? I think this is right, but all right, let's print it out real quick. Right. So then now this is what? Yeah. So basically now this cell, for example, is the rectangle that's starting from 0, 0 to that cell, and that will give you basically everything you want, right? So that's the prefix sum on both horizontal and or like the rectangle, right? So you could say that prefix ij, technically I plus 1, j plus 1, is the sum from matrix 0, 0 to matrix ij inclusive. Yeah, right. And then now this is where the brute force part comes into play, right? So maybe I1, I2 in range from I guess I1. Right. So then now here, now basically we're just given a, you know, 2 rows. We want to define that as all the things that we've kind of compressed it into the subarray. Like if you want to compress that sum into one number, then you get a subarray sum equal to k, or one dimension. Sorry, right? So then here number, right? Okay, so total is equal to 0, right? So scene is equal to yeah, I mean collections not counted is fine. I was thinking whether I should use set or whatever. Right, so then now oh, and of course scene of 0 is equal to 1. And then here you have a sliding window thing. So now you want, like I said, you compress all the numbers. So then it should be just I1, I2. This stuff I have to remember a little bit, right? So basically you want rectangle of from I1 J to I2J, right? So it's a slice, it's a vertical slice. Yeah. I guess there are two ways to do it. You could, the way that I was going to do it was that I have a current thing, and then because this actually matches how I think about subarray sum, you go K. But you could always, because here we're just doing the prefix sum again, so you actually could just, instead of this, then just go from zeros, go from this to that, which is, it should be equivalent. Okay, so let's just say that. So that is of course prefix of I2 plus 1, J plus 1 is going to be the entire thing. And then as we said, we have to subtract out prefix I1, 0. Yeah, because that's the thing that's, no, this is not right. J plus 1 minus prefix I2 plus 1, 0, and then you add back in prefix I1, 0, right? So that's basically the current. And then now we're looking for target. So basically we have this formula of target is equal to current minus some K. So then now we add K on both sides minus target on both sides. So K is equal to current minus target. So then we're looking for, if current minus target is in scene, then total we add current minus target. Oops, nope, that's not right. The number of times that happen. And then of course we do current, we increment by 1. And that should be good. Maybe not, who knows anymore. Let's run it real quick. Maybe there is very possible that I have off by 1 here, but yeah. Give it a submit. Oh, there we go. Actually, kind of nice to get it done on the first try. It doesn't happen that much. There's a lot of silly mistakes possibilities, so this is actually pretty nice. Yeah, that's all I have for today. My apologies, I'm a little bit tired. I don't know, I'm just feeling a little bit under the weather the last couple of days. It's raining here in New York, and I'm trying to force myself to go on a 10-mile run, even though it's raining and it's 40 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm coughing a lot, but I don't know. But yeah, with that said, thanks for watching. Thanks for the support. Stay good, stay healthy, take good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.